Construction has begun on the first phase of the ceramic and brick factory in Tanoso in the Brong Ahafo region. The project, which forms part of the One District, One Factory initiative, is estimated at $18 million and is expected to provide employment for about 1,800 people in the area and beyond.
Tanoso is one of the 19 districts to benefit from phase 1 of the initiative. The Brong Ahafo Regional Minister, Mr. Evans Opoku-Bobie, visited the site earmarked for the ceramic factory to assess progress of work.
Brong Ahafo, so far we have submitted about 19 proposals under One District, One Factory. And then this one is one of them. Apart from this one, if you go to Bichim, there's another factory where we are trying to use cassava to process a lot of products.
The site engineer, Mr. Otie Champon, said, barring any hitches, the factory will be ready for production within 6 to 8 months. Some of the workers spoke to GBC 24.
Probably it is helping me a lot because when I was at home, I've not been doing anything. Therefore, I decided to come to the site. At the end of the day, I'll get a little to also help myself.
The One District, One Factory initiative aims to establish at least one factory in each of the 216 districts of Ghana as a means of creating economic growth to accelerate development and create jobs.